Today, we will install seat covers for the 2004 to 2010 Toyota Sienna. First, we will remove the old seat covers. Step 1. Remove the backrest cover. Unfasten all the clips on the back to separate the cover from the inner foam cushion. Next, remove the seat cushion cover. Use a screwdriver to carefully pry open the clips around the cushion, then take off the old cover. Now, let's install the new seat covers. Start by securing the cushion cover. Place the new cushion cover smoothly over the cushion, ensuring the fabric is fully spread out. Align all the clips around the cover with their corresponding positions on the foam cushion, and press them into place one by one using a screwdriver. Tuck any excess fabric carefully into the gaps of the seat to ensure a smooth and wrinkle-free surface. The side clips should be fixed to the seat base. A hammer can be used to lightly tap them in for a secure fit. Next, install the backrest cover. Stretch the backrest cover and drape it over the foam cushion, ensuring it fits evenly and conforms to the shape of the foam. Gradually press all the clips into their corresponding installation points around the edges, making sure each clip is securely fastened. After installation, check that all sides are fixed and smooth. Once fully installed, thoroughly inspect the appearance and fixation of the seat to ensure there are no remaining issues. At this point, the installation of the new seat covers is complete.